बेटा हम बैक्टीरिया पढ़ रहे थे, तो बैक्टीरिया में एक और टॉपिक है हमारा न्यूट्रिशन बैक्टीरिया और लाइफस्टाइल्स इन बैक्टीरिया. According to the mode of nutrition or according to the lifestyles, bacteria are of three types: photoautotrophy, second is the chemoautotrophy, and third is the heterotrophy. बेटा आपने सुना ही होगा. फोटोऑटोट्रॉफी बेटा बहुत सारे बैक्टीरिया हैं, खासकर ग्रीन और पर्पल बैक्टीरिया. दे सिंथेसाइज देयर ओन फूड. Photoautotrophy, that is, they manufacture their own food, they prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. It includes some green and purple bacteria. But they reduce carbon dioxide to carbohydrates with the help of a chlorophyll. That chlorophyll is called as bacteriochlorophyll. That is, bacteria possess a chlorophyll, and that chlorophyll is called as bacteriochlorophyll. It differs from eukaryotic chlorophyll or the chlorophyll of higher plants. Here oxygen is not reduced. Oxygen is not evolved because they do not utilize water. Here 6 times carbon dioxide plus hydrogen sulfides, 6 times H2S gives, with the help of sunlight and bacteriochlorophyll, they produce their carbohydrates. And since they do not utilize water, so oxygen is not evolved. Here sulfur is released with the plus energy. Second, chemoautotrophy. Certain bacteria obtain the food by oxidizing certain inorganic compounds, and energy is not obtained from sunlight. These bacteria are of following types, and this process is called as chemosynthesis. These bacteria are of following types. Nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria cause oxidation of ammonia to nitrate. They break down ammonia to nitrate, and this oxidation of ammonia to nitrate is called as nitrification. It is called as nitrification. But this nitrification occurs in two steps. In the first step, ammonia plus 2 times oxygen with the help of bacteria Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus, they gives rise nitrate. In the first step, ammonia is oxidized to nitrate, and in the second step, nitrate is oxidized with the help of nitrobacter to nitrite. This oxidation of ammonia to nitrate and nitrite is called as nitrification. In the chemoautotrophy, second type is the iron bacteria. These bacteria change ferrous compounds into ferric. 4 times FeCO3 plus oxygen plus 6 times water gives 4 times FeOH3 plus 4 times carbon dioxide. That is, they change ferrous compounds into ferric compounds. Third type of chemoautotrophy is the sulfur bacteria. These bacteria change sulfur containing compounds. That is, 2 times H2S plus O2 gives 2 times S, sulfur plus what? Another type is the hydrogen bacteria. These bacteria oxidize hydrogen to water. That is, 2 times H2 plus O2 gives 2 times H2O. These are the types of chemoautotrophic bacteria. That is, photoautotrophy, they prepare their own food with the help of light. They prepare their food by oxidizing different inorganic compounds. In some cases, they oxidize nitrogen, ammonia, they oxidize iron, they oxidize sulfur, they bacteria. Now, the third type is the heterotrophy. As you will be aware about the term heterotrophy, those organisms which do not prepare their own food. Here, it is the bacteria which do not prepare their own food. There are different bacteria which do not synthesize their own food. They obtain it either from other living organisms. When they obtain it from other living organisms, then they are called as parasites. That is, these bacteria may be parasitic, or when they obtain it from other living organisms. Or they may be saprophytic or saprobic when they obtain it from dead and decaying organisms, dead and decaying organic matter or organisms. That is, those bacteria which do not prepare their own food, which do not manufacture their own food, and they obtain it from other forms or from other organisms, either from living organisms, then they are called as parasites, or from other dead and decaying organic matter, then they are called as saprophytic organisms. And some, here in this case, some bacteria live in association with other organisms like rhizobium. It lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants, fix atmospheric nitrogen, provide that very nitrogen to the usable form of nitrogen to the plants, and the plant in return gives food and shelter to the bacteria. That is all about the nutrition. That is, the nutrition is of three types: photoautotrophy, chemoautotrophy, and heterotrophy. They obtain it from themselves with the help of sunlight and bacteriochlorophyll. They utilize it by oxidizing different inorganic compounds, and they obtain it from other living organisms. Thanks.